you for watching one more time. Today is another practical example of Excel and Python. If you have watched or if you haven't, it's something very simple. So the first thing that we are going to do is to import pandas, which is one of the best DataFrame modules and libraries that we will need to use. Then we're going to import the OS and then the date and time. The first part will be to define the search criteria. This placeholder will be the column that you need to search. Then what we are going to do is to read the Excel file into the pandas data frame, and the user or yourself is going to enter the file path. Then what we are going to do is to find the matches using that column name from the Excel file, and while checking if there are any matching rows, then it's going to perform one of the two following tasks or activities. One of them is if there are no matches found, then it's going to create a text file. It's going to say no matches found with the current date. Now this date is Australian date, which is day, month and year. Now if it finds matching rows, then it's going to create an Excel file with those matching rows. It's going to save it. That's it. Thank you all for watching, and I would put everything in the description. Remember to leave your thumbs up, and you will also have the access to this code via the GitHub. Ciao.